If you use a Firestick or any other Fire TV device, you may be surprised to find out that there are loads of hidden tips and tricks you can check out. There are many ways to make your experience faster, better, and more enjoyable. Want to find out how? Then let's go and take a look. If you're looking for a new VPN service, why don't you check out the links in the description below this video. Clicking on these links can not only give you a great discount off of your next VPN subscription, but clicking through these links also helps to support my channel. In this video, I will show you my top 10 tips and tricks to get the most out of your Fire TV device. Let's jump right in with number 1. This first tip is a shortcut that saves time and is easy to use and remember. Just one press on your Firestick remote will open this helpful quick access menu. And this can be accessed through the Home button. Now just tapping on the Home button takes you to your Firestick home screen. But if you press and hold the Home button for a second and then release, you'll get quick and direct access to the most helpful and frequently used Firestick features. Quickly switch profiles, get direct one-click access to all of your installed apps, put your Firestick to sleep, start screen mirroring, and instantly go to your Firestick settings. It couldn't be any easier. The second tip saves you time when accessing your most frequently used apps. This row on the home screen has 6 spaces that can be customized to show your most used apps for quick access. From the home screen, go into your applications screen, choose any app from this list that you want to appear on your home row, tap over it, click the Options button on your remote, and then choose Move to Front. Repeat this for your most used apps. Or if you want to choose which of the 6 spaces the app is placed, choose the Move option instead of Move to Front, and then use the directional button on your remote to manually move the app to where you want it to appear in the list, and click to select. Go back to your home screen and now you can quickly access your favourite apps. Sometimes with apps you may experience crashing or other intermittent glitches. If you ever experience issues, clearing the cache is usually all that is needed. To do that, go into your settings and choose Applications. Next, choose Manage Installed Applications and find the app that's having issues. Tap down to it and using your remote, press the Rewind button to quickly and easily clear the cache for that app. If you have a remote that has volume up and down buttons, you can usually use it to control your TV. If this wasn't configured during the initial Firestick setup, or you've switched TVs, you can go into the Fire TV settings to manually reconfigure the remote to work with your TV. Open the settings and select Equipment Control, then select Manage Equipment, then choose TV. Tap down and select Change TV and follow the on-screen instructions. If your TV is not automatically identified correctly, select your TV brand from the list and set up the remote to turn your TV on and off and turn the volume up and down. Tip number 5 is to install a free app on your mobile phone or tablet called Amazon Fire TV. The Amazon Fire TV app gives you functionality such as voice search, navigation, playback, a keyboard, quick access to all of your apps and more, so you can use your mobile device like a Firestick remote. The Amazon Fire TV app is available on the Google Play and Apple App Store. Click on the link above me or in the description below to watch my tutorial if you want to learn more about the Amazon Fire TV app and how to use it. Your Fire TV remote is one of the most important components of your Fire TV, so checking the battery status is a good idea if you don't want to be caught out in the middle of your favourite show. Luckily, there is a quick and easy way to check. From the home screen, choose Settings, Remotes and Bluetooth Devices, and choose Amazon Fire TV Remotes. The right of the screen gives you a battery status and will let you know if it's time to change your batteries. If you're not a fan of the annoying clicking noise when navigating your Fire TV, then tip number 7 is to turn it off. From the home screen, choose Settings, Display and Audio, select Audio, then toggle navigation sounds from on to off. Now when you navigate around your Fire TV, there will be no more annoying clicks. If you use the Silk browser quite a lot and you have favourite websites that you visit, you can create bookmarks to make them easily accessible. From the home screen, search the App Store for Bookmarker 1, then download and install it. Open the Bookmarker app and enter the website URL you want to access quickly. For example, if you want to quickly access my super helpful website full of tutorials, news, Firestick guides and downloads, type in FireTVSticks.com and hit Next. For most people, you will be using the Silk browser, so make sure that Silk is selected as the browser to open the website with. Then select Save. Go into your app screen using the handy shortcut we discovered in tip 1. Then move the Bookmarker 1 app to the home screen by moving it to the front as I showed you in tip number 2. Back on your home screen, open the Bookmarker app and go straight to your favourite website. You probably already know that you can press and hold the Alexa button on your remote to perform a voice search or make an Alexa request. However, you may not know that just tapping the Alexa button without holding it causes an Alexa shortcut panel to pop up in the lower part of the screen. It usually gives you quick access tabs to smart home controls, a weather forecast, and a Get Started tab for an Alexa tutorial. However, you will get different tabs depending on your location. Let me know in the comments below which tabs you have. If you find your Fire TV is not functioning correctly, maybe it's lagging, buffering or performing slower, a quick and easy way to try and resolve these issues is with a restart, which is quick and easy using a remote shortcut. Press and hold the play and select buttons for about 5 to 10 seconds. A message will appear on your screen telling you that Fire TV is restarting, and you'll be back up and running in no time. I hope that you have enjoyed these tips and tricks for your Firestick and Fire TV. Some of them you probably knew already, but some may be new to you. If you did learn something new, let me know which tip it was in the comments down below. As always, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, comment and subscribe to my channel, making sure that you turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my latest releases. These small actions from you make a big difference to me and helps to improve how YouTube recommends my videos to potential subscribers, and I truly appreciate your help in making my channel grow.